Let's have a quick look at the Bernzomatic propane tank replacement, which is a fuel cylinder that's 16 ounces. It's great for camping, propane grills, or any device that uses propane, and also emergencies. You screw on the cylinder and you're good to go. I suggest singles and also multi-packs. Here, let's have a closer look. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.